Guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to make an Uber Eats driver account, guys. First things first, guys, I need to explain to you. So you need to first make a driver account. So for that, you need the driver app first, okay? You cannot do this on the normal Uber Eats app. You need the driver app. Let me show you guys right here. So you need to download the driver app first, which is what the other rideshare drivers use, and this will give you all the information you need, guys, to make all the different decisions. But now I want to explain to you how to actually become the driver. So first things first, guys, you want to sign up, okay? You want to sign up, you want to review and accept the delivery terms, and then you can deliver. So once you do that, you log in, and then it's going to give you orders to deliver. But I need to show you the requirements first, guys. Okay, you deliver your orders and you earn money. That's okay, but I want to show you the requirements. So you can either have three options, okay? You either deliver by car, by scooter, or by a bicycle or on foot. So if you're in the US, okay, if you're doing it by car, first of all, you need to be at least 19 years old, either a two-door or four-door car. Okay, you need a valid driver's license in your name, and you need to submit your social security number. They're gonna run a background check, and then you'll get approved. So your background must be clean, guys, to get approved. Okay, so delivery by scooter. Okay, also 19 years old. You need to have a motorized scooter, which is under 50 cc. You need a valid driver license in your name, which is the same as this, and you need to submit your social security number. They're also going to run a background screening, guys. Now, all right, when you're signing up for scooter, guys, you need to choose this delivery by scooter method under the different transportation methods, guys. If you're doing it either by bicycle or foot, the requirement is only 18 years old. You just need to have a government issued ID and just provide your social security number. They're going to run a background and make sure you choose either delivery by bicycle or delivery by foot. Now, these are only available in certain cities, okay? These things, okay? So it's literally that simple, guys. Once you start that, you're gonna get given orders from different restaurants, and once you deliver them, you will earn money, guys, okay? And you can also get tips. So it's literally that simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course,